Good morning. So I am on my way to 7204 Northwest 146th Street. My GPS took me to the wrong neighborhood. So I originally had a video driving to the neighborhood, but it's the wrong neighborhood. So we're going to kind of do one a little backwards. So we're kind of going the back way to the neighborhood. So we're in West Edmond, or I should say Northwest OKC, because it's an OKC zip code. Deer Creek Schools. Technically, it's kind of considered West Edmond. You can kind of see there's some farmland, but this is really growing exponentially. So, in a few years, this will probably be another neighborhood. So Paycom is right there, their headquarters. A lot of growth with like restaurants. There's a Chick-fil-A like less than a mile, and Target is a few miles away, 5 minutes to Costco and Sam's Club and the mall and Topgolf and literally every restaurant you could possibly. I think you'd eat at a different restaurant every day for a year, and there's just so much kind of on that turnpike corridor, Memorial right down the street. So this is one of the neighborhoods. Right over here on the left, when we get to this intersection, you're going to see an elementary school, which will be one of the schools that are for this neighborhood, for Deer Creek. There's a vet, Domino's. Deer Creek schools are set up a little bit different. So you have your kind of like your home district elementary, which is K through 3. And then every 4th and 5th grader will go to one school. Then 6th grade goes to the 6th grade center, all Deer Creek 6th graders. Then 7th and 8th is middle, and then high school. So really, your districted elementary is only K through 3. And then everybody goes together. So this up here, this is the neighborhood we are going to be in, and I have to kind of guesstimate where it is because my GPS does not like it. So here's the entrance to the neighborhood, which is nice, and HOA kind of pays for that maintenance. I'm going to think it's on this, yeah. I'm kind of, all right, I think it's up here. So you can kind of see. So there are some rentals in this neighborhood. Actually, the one we're going to look at was also a rental. It's owned by a corporation. And so there is kind of if this is the house that you definitely want to put an offer on, they do kind of their own process that we will have to go through with the offer. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's different. 7204, right? 72, and I think I missed it. So I'm gonna drive around though, because there is a playground. I want to make sure you see that. And actually, and then there's a basketball court. And it's, I'm gonna turn here. We're early spring, so they haven't really done a lot of, just in general, we haven't done a ton of yard maintenance yet. So things are a little bit weedy. So I'm sure they will get to it, but there's the basketball court. In the listing it said rec facility, but I'm assuming maybe that's what they consider a rec facility. So I think it's 7204. So if I can find, okay, it's this one right here. So I will turn again, so you can kind of see all of it. Here's your next door neighbor. Seems like a decent, quiet neighborhood. And I'm actually, so 7220 is also for sale. And so I'm actually, it's the same square footage, same price. So I'm going to film that one as well, and see what you think.